my options are running out. Let me just try this Forex thing. Right? And then luckily at that time, my mother was approved for a loan. Go Capitec. I think it was about 20,000. Then she gave me that money to say, reduce your school fees. Remember NSFAS, when you get excluded, NSFAS drops you as well.
Yeah.
So no begi studies on debt, basically, at that time. So my mother gave me this money to say, reduce the school fees. Right? I think it was 60 or 50 somewhere there. I reduce her. When she gave me the money, I sat down and I'm like, Pela Mamazala thinks I'm graduating next year. I can't risk that. So let me take this money and put it in this thing called Forex. I didn't know what it was. Took 15,000, I put it there. 5,000 I ate with my then girlfriend. We went on a vacation, Acadia, hotel for the first time. That 5,000 was finished. I came back 15,000. It was into the trading account as $1,000. Then I started trading in April 2016. Then during that week, I think people were coming from Moria or going. I don't remember very well. But what I do remember was there was news on that particular Friday, which is, I think it was NFP or something. That entire $1,000 was wiped in seconds.
Sure.
I turned off. So the laptop that I use, I was fixing computers. So Gikrele laptop that only worked on a charger only. So the laptop that I used, after losing the money, I just removed the charger, it went off. Then I slept. And I woke up and I turned it on. I thought I was dreaming. Balance 0-0. I'm like, turn off the laptop again, masturbate, sleep. Wake up again, still 0-0. Now what that means is Remember that 5,000 Gijela girlfriend, 50 in Forex. I'm dead. What option do I have?
Sure.
Suicide as option when you're a hustler. It's not an option. Suicide, it's I don't wanna sound cocky, but you have to be emotionally strong to surpass that. And I think for myself, I'm not weak. It was never an option. I think I've told myself that no matter what, I will. So mental health, depression, didn't tshwara no kenale tšhelete. When you are poor, you don't know those things because all you know is survival.
Sure.
So when things don't go well, it's not a surprise. But now I can tell when things don't go well. And then that sort of affects me. So sharp. Suicide was not an option.
Yeah.
I'm like, Plani. What's working? Let me go back to this thing. I went back this thing, but the difference, the thin line between what I did and why I went back was now I was going back to learn. You see, now that's the difference. And I didn't want to learn because I wanted to. I wanted to learn because, logically speaking, if Forex can take 15,000 in 2 seconds, it means Forex can give 15,000 in 2 seconds. So I used that logic to say, if it can take, it can give. Let me find out how it can give. How it can give is knowledge. Then that's when I started the pace of learning. I used the internet from that particular April throughout. That's when I decided to learn. But now I was going in $5, 100 rand, 200 at most.
Yeah.
Learning. I could make profit. Now I understood the fundamentals, the technicals behind the whole thing. Because then now when it took the money, I thought it was a scam.